That section of the roof is completely exposed.
And look at the cracking along the foundation here. It goes deep.
We'll need to address the water damage inside first.
We need to prioritize the structural integrity of the front porch.
The report says the foundation near the entrance.
Look at the state of this yard.
We'll need a full team just for the landscaping before we touch the structure.
Agreed. Let's start with the front section tomorrow. We need to get these cleared back immediately. See the rot?
Agreed. I'll add that to the prep work.
And check the drainage while we're at it. The sill is completely rotted here, and look at this debris.
The
chimney.
The chimney base is crumbling too. We have a lot of structural work.
Ready?
Lift on 3.
Okay, got it. Watch your step over there.
The team moves quickly in this time lapse,
revealing the original structure beneath years of overgrowth. The foundation is now clear.
This dirt is caked on solid. We'll need to scrape this entire section first.
Yeah, and the threshold is completely shot.
I'll get the vacuum ready for the loose stuff.
We need to clear this debris by the sofa first. It's a hazard.
Okay,
We can bag the trash while C handles the windows.
agreed. Let's get the light in here before we start scrubbing.
Let's get this trash cleared out first.
Yeah, that pile by the wall.
We'll need gloves for that.
The kitchen presents the biggest challenge. We're looking at extensive mold, structural damage, and a massive cleanup operation.
All right, so we tackle the debris near the cabinets first.
Or maybe the ceiling before that drops more dust.
Good point. Let's go top down, then the cabinets.
This wide shot shows the extent of the decay in the rear bathroom. Decades of grime cover the original fixtures and tile.
This mold goes deep into the grout.
We'll need the heavy-duty enzyme cleaner for this section.
Let's start with the sink and work our way down.
that wraps up the exterior lighting install.
It looks perfect against the evening sky.
Ready for the next project?